working. Antayin natin si Brother Mac. Yes, it's like there is a sun already.
Yeah, but look it.
I don't know what happened to my camera.
Nice, brother.
Maybe the camera is adjusting.
Nice.
It look like it's 6 a.m. or 7.
Yeah.
The camera is helping us to.
See?
We will. How? When will you plan to fix your phone? The shop. Did you have already a budget for that?
Yeah.
Only the time?
Yeah. Only the time.
Maybe. We're busy. In this morning, you will have only review. You don't have class maybe.
Yeah.
But for us, we have reportings.
See?
Uh, if we are vacant.
English?
We can be
English?
English. No. It's about prophecy.
Wow.
Reporting and
So,
leadership.
prophecy.
Understand?
Understand.
Yeah, we are. I report already about Smyrna.
What?
Episode on Smyrna is already reported by the Christian, and I'm the second. Maybe Smyrna Pergamo. I don't know who is assigned to report
Okay.
Pergamo period of Christian.
7 churches.
Yes, the seven.
Okay. See.
Hey, how about you? They don't have any reportings yet? No?
Not yet. Still.
When we're in junior, we have reporting,
Really?
but it's not about at that time in our own topics that we make.
Okay.
We have given assigned faith, love, something like that.
See.
But now senior, we're given about prophecy.
Wow.
Many reportings we have done already,
See.
but
Only few, not yet.
many of us is not yet already reported.
So, how do you record? Only memorize?
No, use your, if you have laptop or you have notes, then you can use it.
See.
Just vlogging this walking exercise at our pits.
Yeah. Good exercise, walking.
Early in the morning. What time is it's 5:38 a.m.
Like already 6 or 7.
5:38 a.m. My dear brethren, I am with Brother Mac Tara
Yeah.
from Vanuatu. He may be representative of General. This is his secret why he has a body fit and energetic.
Hey!
Look at his body difference from my tummy.
No.
Maybe I join him. Good morning.
Good morning.
Brother George, Brother George, the legendary driver in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So smart.